Cinnamon is 100% natural. It can clear all your skincare issues. Cinnamon is so good. It's something you should inculcate into your skincare. Yeah. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Also like, share my content. On this video today, I'm going to be giving you a practical demonstration on how to use cinnamon to get rid of scars, spots on your face, and also give you some recipes for dry skin, for brightening your skin. So watch this video to the end. This is a promise video. I promise to show you how to use cinnamon to get rid of acne scars. So watch this video to the end. You'll be needing honey, you'll be needing cinnamon powder, not the stick one, the cinnamon powder, honey and cinnamon powder. That's all you need to get rid of the acne scars. Okay, let's get right into the demonstration. Honey, just doing just a little honey. Okay. Just a little honey. And then a pinch of cinnamon. Since I'm just doing just a pinch, see, so strong. Yeah, so I'm going to be mixing it just a little. See the paste, you make a paste of it, honey and cinnamon powder. I'm using cotton bud because I just want to put it only on the affected areas. So after making a paste of the cinnamon with honey, I'm going to be applying it only on the spots where I have spots. See, I'm using a cotton bud. That's where I have spots on my face. These are the people I just apply it only on the spots and leave it overnight. Overnight, after when you wake up in the morning, you rinse your face. But ensure that you must have cleansed your face before applying this. You don't want to take bacteria, if you are using your hand, bacteria into your face. You need to cleanse your face properly so that this can. That's that for using cinnamon to get rid of acne scars, pimple marks, spots on your skin. Yeah, so if you need to use cinnamon to get rid of dry skin, what you'll be needing, you could use salt, but there's some people that their skin cannot take salt. You might have irritation from using salt, so instead you change that, use sugar instead of salt. You need salt, cinnamon, honey, olive oil, honey, and you use it as your scrub. You can do that once or twice a week. Yes, so that's for the scrub. Then for brightening your face, you'll be needing cinnamon, you'll be needing honey, and you'll be needing curd. Make a paste of it, apply to your, whether it's your face you want to brighten or your whole body.